Hello sir, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Adinda Zara. Uh, I will present mind mapping for was TOEFL preparation, reading comparison. In the reading section in TOEFL, there are techniques that can be done so that we can do this part well. There are two techniques that we need to know, namely skimming and scanning. Jadi di reading itu ada tekniknya dimana akan lebih memudahkan kita di saat kita mengerjakan soal reading di TOEFL, yaitu ada skimming and scanning. Nah, skimming is done to determine the main idea in the reading by reading the text quickly. And scanning is reading quickly a text to find sentence information without reading the rest of the whole. Jadi biasanya kan orang-orang yang ngerjain reading itu kalau yang belum bisa kalau yang masih banyak yang salah atau tekniknya salah itu dibaca semua sentence-nya, passage-nya. Jadi bakal menyulitkan, dan kalau yang scanning itu dan skimming itu lebih mempercepat cara cepat gimana biar supaya kita jawabannya lebih cepat karena waktu mengerjakan TOEFL itu kan sedikit gitu. Next, types and tips for question on reading section. The first is main idea. Main idea of passage are popular in reading comparison tasks, but sometimes the questions are pretty difficult to answer, especially for students who are not completely sure they understand what the main idea really is. Finding the main idea of paragraph or longer passage of text is one of the most important reading skill to master, along with concepts like making an inference finding to the author's purpose or understanding vocabulary word in context. Jadi untuk main idea ini selalu akan muncul di soal-soal TOEFL pertama-pertama pasti ada di reading section, dan biasanya pada siswa yang belum benar-benar mengerti bagaimana main idea itu akan kesulitan. Tapi untuk para yang masternya pasti sudah bisa karena terlebih biasa gitu. Jadi disarankan untuk reading ini memperbanyak vocabulary-nya lagi. Next, di sini question and tips for answer-nya. Biasanya questionnya itu kebanyakan what is the main idea of passage, lalu what is the subject of the passage, and what is the author main point in the passage. Ketiganya ini pasti akan muncul salah satunya di setiap reading tentang main idea. Now, the tips for answer main idea. First, read the first line of each paragraph. And 2, look for a common theme or idea in first line. 3, press your eyes quickly over the rest of the passage to check that you really have found the topic sentence. And the last, eliminate any definitely wrong answers and choose the best answer from the remaining choice. Jadi ada 4 cara untuk menjawab question main idea. Next, the second reading section is topic. The next in the reading section there are questions about the topic of reading, where in the section you will find out about what is the passage and the types of questions such as will always appear on the TOEFL test. This is the question, what is the topic of the passage and the passage about. Nah, biasanya TOEFL ini lebih mengarahkan ke topiknya. Apa sih yang dibahas sama reading section saat ini, passage-nya tuh apa gitu. Lalu ini tips for answer-nya. Read the first line of each paragraph. Look for words that show the relationship among the paragraph. And 3, choose the answer the best express the relationship. jawabnya hampir sama main idea, tapi karena topik ini lebih mencangkup seluruh kalimat yang ada di paragraf, sedangkan main idea hanya selalu berada di awal paragraf ataupun akhir paragraf juga bisa. Itu perbedaan antara main idea dan topik gitu. The next is detailed information. In the reading comparison, students have to find out the detailed information of the text. The question of the detailed information consists of who, what, where, when, and how, or 5 W or W plus 1H. 5W 1H. I'm sorry. In finding the detailed information of the text, students can do the scanning. Jadi scanning itu penting banget di antara reading ini supaya kita lebih bisa cepat mengetahui jawaban dari pertanyaannya. Pertama, contoh pertanyaannya untuk detailed information according to the passage. Number 2, the passage indicated that. And then number 3, which of the following is true? And this is the tips for answer. The answer to these types of question can generally be found directly in the reading text. And the second, in this type of question, you will be required to choose an answer that is preface or rephrasing of the same intonation but with a different word. Dan itu the last my presentation about mind mapping. Thank you for attention. Untuk sekali lagi mengingatkan bahwa untuk reading comparison memang harus diperbanyak vocabulary supaya saat menjawab soal akan lebih mudah, karena reading itu bakal banyak sekali vocabnya. Dan untuk main idea, topik, dan detail information harus benar-benar scanning dan skimming. Sekian dari saya. Thank you for attention and thank you sir. Thank you so much.